Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Dow Jones Industrial Average recorded a modest gain on Friday, closing at a record high, marking a significant rally for the week following the Federal Reserve's first major easing of interest rate policy in 4 years. The 30-stock Dow rose by 38.17 points, or 0.09%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 slipped by 0.19%, and the Nasdaq Composite decreased by 0.36%. On Thursday, the Dow had already surpassed 42,000 and the S&P 500 climbed above the 5,700 level for the first time. Turning to the US sectors, all sectors except for utilities, communications and consumer staples closed lower on Friday. Utilities led the sectors, closing higher by 2.69%. Industrials was the worst performer, closing lower by 0.69%. In company news, FedEx saw a significant decline of 15% following a sharp drop in quarterly earnings and a lowered full-year revenue forecast, with the CEO citing weaker industrial demand and a shift among customers towards cheaper, slower delivery options impacting the profits. In contrast, Nike stock surged over 6% upon announcing a leadership change, with Elliott Hill set to replace John Donahoe as CEO in October, although shares had previously fallen about 25% for the year. Meanwhile, Constellation Energy shares rose more than 22% after revealing plans to restart the 3 Mile Island nuclear plant and enter a 20-year agreement with Microsoft to supply electricity for its data centers. All three major averages posted weekly gains, with the S&P 500 up 1.36%, marking its fifth positive week in the past 6. The indexes increased by over 19% in 2024. The Dow closed the week up 1.62%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq gained 1.49%. And looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.8% fall. Thank you for listening.